to be forms the government and take decisions on behalf of whom? People. So the key elements, the basic features of the democracy are participation of the people will be the main, and decision making and resolution or solving of the conflicts or the problems or the crises which are arising with the sanction of the policies of the people. And there should be an equality and even the justice, treating everyone equal and giving proper solution to the cases. So, students, a democracy is a system of choosing and replacing the government through free and fair elections, and it will have an active participation of every people of of a particular in country of those citizens in politics and civic life. And they will have why they will go to participate in order to protect the human rights of all citizens and the rule of law, in which the laws will be applicable and will be equally provided to all the citizens. So, what are those human rights in order to protect that? Right to equality, freedom from discrimination, in order to have the life of their choice, and liberty to choose their occupation, and in order to free from the slavery, and in order to have the freedom from torture, and in order to have the free to express their opinion, belief, and religion. So a basic right is not what someone give you, it's the what no one can take away from you is called the rights. I repeat, a right is not what someone gives you, it's what no one can take away from you. It's a one famous thought said by some person in the about what is a right. So yeah, as we know that in a democratic government, the representative will be elected by the people, and how the participation of the people is going to be take place. So the participation of the people is the foundation of the democracy rule. First of all, they say that people is going to choose the representative that in order to frame a government by voting or through elections. So for a period of how many years? For 5 years they are going to rule once they are elected through elections. After completion of the 5 years, the people can decide whether they have to be continued with the same person, or they need to change with the representative. So if the people feel so that the person who have chosen by them is not able or capable enough to make the policies for the welfare of the people, they might change those person through again re-election. And in the after completing of the first 5 years, then the people decide, and they if a government fails to function in the interest of the people, they are going to express their disappointment by not voting in its favor in the next election. You could see, if the people are not going to be satisfied with the people, they are going to do the rallies and then campaigns, then strikes, signature campaigns, all those things. And even some people will be is going to be express their opinion through writing some articles in the journals, magazines, newspaper. Then they will have some big discussions, live discussion through medias, all those things. People can express their views on thoughts of the policies or the thoughts which are come up through the government. First is one is how the participation of the people takes place. One is through election. They can elect the representative body for to run the government for a period of 5 years. If they doesn't like, they might not vote in the next election. The first point. Second point, the people act as a continuous examiner. Once the people are running through government and they have been elected by the people, what the people's responsibility is to whether the representative who have been chosen by us, how they functioning properly or not, how they are working to the interest of the people or not. They keep examining of the work of the representative of those persons. If they doesn't like, they are free to express their views, thoughts and opinions, and criticize what the government is being done is wrong, it's not helpful for the people. The government has to be removed all those peace policy. The government should not take up with this policy. They go against with the policies which have been taken up by the government, by whom? The common people. So for this, what they do, they express their disapproval or disagreement, or disappointment through various ways. Through how they can express their disappointment or disapproval through rallies, strikes, dharnas, and signature campaigns. Through this, even the media like newspapers, magazines, TV also plays an important role in expressing the views of the people and making the government to realize, to get to know that the whatever the government is making for the welfare of the people, it's not been up to the mark. So please, so it is not helpful for the people. So it has to be denied, or it has to be removed, or it has to be stopped in doing further. So this, through this way, the people is going to be get the again, people is going to be act against the government rules. So students, basically what we say is a democracy is a government in which the people is going to represent, going to participate in the election, and they are going to elect the people, and those people, those who are elected, they are going to run the government for 5 years, and they will going to function according to the needs of the people. If the needs of the people is not being fulfilled, they will be not elected by the people in the next election. And if the peoples are not okay with the policies or the functions of the government, they can express their disappointment and the disapproval through various channels, through rallies, strikes, campaigns, or through writings, such as through magazines, newspapers, articles, journals, and even through live shows like TVs or any social media, etc. They can express their view. So all these, through this, they can express the views of the policies which are framed by the government. So in today's class, what we generally learn is, what do you mean by democracy? How the people take place participation in the democratic government. So students, thank you. Please go through the video. Tomorrow we'll have a discussion on this. Thank you.